MCP allows you to connect Magnific with Claude or ChatGPT. With this integration, you'll be able to generate images, videos, audio, perform bulk operations, build and run spaces workflows, and access projects and folders on Magnific, all using your AI assistant and agentic workflows. Let's start by connecting Claude with the Magnific MCP server. The process is roughly the same in ChatGPT. In this video, we'll focus on Claude. The first step is to open the desktop app or go to claude.ai in your browser and open Settings. From there, enter the Connector section and click Add Custom Connector. Then paste the Magnific MCP server, mcp.magnific.com. When prompted, sign in with your Magnific account to authenticate the connection. Once this is done, Claude will be connected to Magnific, allowing you to use Magnific tools directly from your Claude conversations. Before generating anything, ask Claude which models are available and which one is best suited for a specific task. This can help you achieve better results depending on what you're creating. Let's look at a simple practical example. Create a new conversation from the left sidebar. Inside the conversation, we ask Claude for everything we want to create. In this case, we want 3 options for a 3D character, a teenage pirate on a white background, generated using Nano Banana 2. We also request 3 variations of a 3D pirate ship with black sails, designed to match the same aesthetic. Finally, we ask Claude to create a 15-second video using Seedance 2.0, showing our pirate character sailing with the ship through a rough sea at sunset, while a giant whale swims alongside the ship as if they were friends. We also request cinematic pirate-style music for the final video. You can specify which model should be used for each task, but you can also let Claude choose. Once everything is ready, submit the prompt. You'll notice that Claude may ask a few follow-up questions to refine the results before starting the generations. First, it generates the 3 character options. Select the one you prefer. Once the character is chosen, Claude automatically continues with the next step and generates the pirate ship variations following the same process. Choose the pirate ship you like the most, and then Claude will move on to generating the final video. Once the generation is complete, we'll have the final animated clip ready. Remember that you can always iterate through every stage of the workflow until the result matches exactly what you're looking for. Now we can ask Claude to upscale the video to 4K resolution, and once it's ready, download it to our laptop. We can also ask Claude to move the file into a specific folder inside our Magnific account. Just ask it to move the file into a previously created folder, or if you prefer, ask Claude to create a new folder and move the file there. Beyond generation, you also have access to editing tools, spaces workflows, projects and folder management, and much more. You can ask Claude what's available, or simply describe what you want to do and let it figure out the process for you. Finally, you can check your account plan and available credits directly from the AI assistant you're using. Your Magnific integration can be used for many different workflows and creative tasks, so experiment, explore, and make the most of its full potential without leaving your favorite AI assistant.